morning and welcome to the new episode of English class. And today we are doing the exercise of our last lesson. Our last lesson is the sweet smile. In this lesson, we learned about a student and a child. His name is Devang, and what happened is truth and what was his habit. What was the habit of Devang? Devang had a habit of eating too much of sweets. He eat all the sweets, is it jalebi, laddu, gulab jamun, rasgulla or anything he eat, halwa, etc. Okay, he is in the habit of keeping a bar of chocolate with him, so he has so many friends with him, friends around him. Okay, we have to look at the vocabulary ladder. First one is vocabulary George. George, it is pronounced as George, G-O-R-G-E. The meaning is stuff oneself overindulge. If somebody is putting so much amount of sweets or something eatables in his mouth, it is called George. The next one, admonish, give warning. Admonish means give warning, to tell someone that they have done something wrong. Next one, persistent, continuous. Persistent means continuous, C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. Reminiscence, remaining part, leftover part, reminiscence. Then the meaning is overwhelming feeling of wonder, great surprise. Okay, desert, leave someone alone. So if somebody is alone, he is in desert. Dental plate that artificially replaces missing teeth. Artificial teeth and its set is called dentures. Then next one, goosebumps. Goosebumps, that word is pronounced as goosebumps. Reflex action of hair on the skin in response to stress. Goosebumps. Then hustle bustle, move or pause to move energetically. That means hyperactive. Hustle bustle, hyperactive. Okay, the next one is sentence making. Listen here. Sentence making, S-C-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence making, M-A-K-I-N-G, sentence making. Okay. Which is the first word? Dentures, D-E-N-T-U-R-E-S. Which is the first word? Dentures, D-E-N-T-U-R-E-S, dentures. The sentence is, my grandmother is using dentures. My grandmother, G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R, grandmother. My grandmother is using, U-S-I-N-G, using dentures, D-E-N-T-U-R-E-S. Okay, my grandmother is using dentures. Say the sentence. My grandmother is using dentures. My grandmother is using dentures. Next word, George. Devang chose too much sweet in his mouth. George, G-O-R-G-E, George. G-O-R-G-E. The sentence from the text, Devang, D-E-V-A-N-G, Devang used, U-S-E-D, or George, Devang, George, G-O-R-G-E-D, George, too much chocolate, too much sweets in his mouth. Devang, George, too much sweet in his mouth. Once again, you please listen to the sentence. George, Devang, George, G-O-R-G-E-D, George, G-O-R-G-E-D, George, too much sweets in his mouth. He put too much sweets in his mouth. Next one, admonish. Admonish, A-D-M-O-N-I-S-H, admonish. The principal The principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, principal admonished the student, admonished the students admonished the students as they were making noise, as they were making noise. The principal admonished the students for what? As they were making noise. Admonished the students as they were making noise. When the principal came to the class, the children were making noise. So what did he do? He admonished the students. He admonished. He gave warning. He warned the students. He gave warning. Then next word is A-W-E. A-W-E. The sight filled us with awe. The sight of an incident filled us with awe. The sight or the sight of the flowering of Neelakurinji. The sight of the flowering of Neelakurinji filled us with awe. The sight filled us, F-I-L-L-E-D, filled us with awe. The sight filled us with awe. Which are the words? My grandmother is using dangerous. The word is dangerous. Deva George too much sweets in his mouth. Second sentence once again. Deva George too much sweets in his mouth. Third sentence. The principal admonished the students as they were making noise. The principal admonished the students as they were making too much noise. Then the sight filled us with awe. The sight filled us with awe. Okay. Do you want me to read it once again? My grandmother is using dangerous. First sentence. Then Deva George too much sweets in his mouth. Second sentence. The principal admonished the students as they were making noise. Third word. The sight filled us with awe. The sight filled us with awe. Then sentence making is over. Which is the next segment? The next segment is pick the correct answer. You listen to your text, page number 59. All of you take page number 59. Pick the correct answers. Devang loved to dash. First option, eat sweets. Second option, do his homework. Which is the correct one? Eat sweets. First one, eat sweets. Eat sweets. That was a column. You put a tick mark in that column. The second one, Devang's mother would dash. Tell him to do his homework. Brush his teeth twice a day. Which one is correct? Second one. Brush his teeth. Brush his teeth. His teeth twice a day. T-W-I-C-E, twice a day. Devang's mother would brush his teeth twice a day. Mother would. It is a wrong sentence. You write in the space. Devang's mother would. Devang's mother would tell to. Devang's mother would tell to brush his teeth twice a day. Tell to brush his teeth twice a day. One more word is needed there. And then next one, third one. There was a dash. Best smile competition in school. Painting competition in school. Which option is correct? The first option is correct. Third one. Best smile competition. Best smile competition. There was a best smile competition in school. In school. There was a best smile competition in school. Fourth one. In the end, the students were given a bar of chocolate to eat, then a small token gift to enjoy brushing their teeth. Which one is correct? The second one is correct. Fourth one. A small token gift, a small, S-M-A-L, small, token gift, T-O-K-E-N, token gift, to enjoy brushing their teeth, to enjoy, E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy brushing, B-R-U-S-H-I-N-G, brushing their teeth. Okay, I'll read the four sentences once again. Devang loved to eat sweets. Which is the first sentence? Devang loved to eat sweets. Second one, Devang's mother would tell to brush his teeth twice a day. Devang's mother would tell to brush his teeth twice a day. There was a best smile competition in school. Which is the third sentence? There was a best smile competition in the school. Then fourth one, in the end, the students were given a small token gift to enjoy brushing their teeth. The students were given a small token gift to enjoy brushing their teeth. Okay, then say true or false. Next segment, C, say true or false. Say true or false. First one. Devang loved to eat salad, therefore he was a thin boy. Devang loved to eat salad, so therefore he was a thin boy. Is it true? No. First one, false. You write false. F-A-L-S-C. First one, false. Okay. Do Devang love to eat salad? No. Devang loved to eat only sweets. Next sentence. There was an excitement in the school. True. There was an excitement in the school. Second sentence is correct. So we have to write true. T-R-U-E. Third one. The competition was about the quantity of chocolates we can eat. False. F-A-L-S-C. Third one. False. Okay. Then fourth one. Devang won the competition. False. Devang won the competition. False. Next one. At night, mother could hear him brushing his teeth. True. At night, mother could hear brushing his teeth. T-R-U-E. Okay. The first one is false. Second one is true. Third one is false. Fourth one is false. And the fifth one is true. Once again, I will read it. You please listen to the text. Page number 59. Devang loved to eat salad, therefore he was a thin boy. It's a false statement. There was an excitement in the school. It is a true statement. The competition was about the quantity of chocolate we can eat. It's a false statement. Devang won the competition. It's also a false statement. Fifth one, at night mother could hear him brushing his teeth. It's a true statement. Okay. Then next one, make a poster on the importance of oral hygiene. Write 4 to 5 do's and don'ts. Write 4 do's that we can do and 4 don'ts that we are not supposed to do. Regarding eating habits and brushing teeth, discuss this in class. Okay, then writing, you must have visited a dentist either for a checkup or with your parents. Collect some pictures of the dental clinic and write about your visit. You may include the pictures of sanitation and hygiene, dentist chair and lights, doctor with his headgear, instruments, poster in the clinic. There are in the almost all the dental clinics, there are some posters. We can see posters in the visiting area. Okay. Then waiting area. Then grammar power. Make nouns from verbs. Making nouns from verbs. It is the grammar we are going to study. Nouns from verbs. Frame or make. Nouns. N-O-U-N-S. Nouns from verbs. From verbs. V-E-R-B-S. Make nouns from verbs. That is the title. We can form noun from verb by adding on or ment and ation at the end of the verb. How can we make a verb as a noun? How can we make a verb into a noun? By adding. Which are the words by adding? On, then ment and ation. These three set of letters can make, when we add either of these three set of words, we can change the form of a verb into a noun. We can change a verb into a noun by adding any one of these three set of letters. Okay, then first one, here some words are given. Adding ion, protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T. The noun form is protection, P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-O-N. Okay, I-O-N, by adding I-O-N. I-O-N, I-O-N. Is I-O-N, I-O-N. Okay, I-O-N, protection. Attract. Next word is A-T-T-R-A-C-T. Attract. Then the noun form is attraction. A-T-T-R-A-C-T and I-O-N. We can add I-O-N to make it a noun. Next one, elect. E-L-E-C-T. Elect. It's a verb and election is a noun. E-L-E-C-T is already there. Then I-O-N, election. Okay, we can add an I-O-N to these verbs and make it a verb. Examples are protect plus I-O-N, protection, attract plus I-O-N, attraction, then elect plus I-O-N, election. Next, we can add ment to the following words and make the noun form of it. Next examples, move, M-O-V-E, move. I-O-M-E-N-D, we can add M-E-N-D. M-O-V is already there. Then M-E-N-D, movement. Move is a verb and movement is a noun. Govern, G-O-V-E-R-N, govern. It's a verb and government, G-O-V-E-R-N-M-E-N-D. Government is a noun. Next one, invest. I-N-V-E-S-T. Invest is a verb. Then by adding M-E-N-D, I-N-V-E-S-T, M-E-N-D. Investment is a noun. Okay. We can add I-O-N to some verbs and make the noun form of that. Protect, protection. Attract, attraction. Elect, election. Then M-E-N-D. By adding M-E-N-D to some verbs, we can make the plural of that. Noun. We can change the verb into a noun by adding M-E-N-D. We can change the verb form of a word into a noun form by adding M-E-N-D. Examples, move, movement. Then govern, government. Invest, investment. Okay, these two sets you understand? I hope all of you understood these two sets by adding I-O-N and M-E-N-D. Next set is by adding A-T-I-O-N. 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 Declare. D-E-C-L-A-R-E. Declare. Declare is a verb and its noun form is declaration. D-E-C-L-A-R-A-T-I-O-N. We added A-T-I-O-N. We added A-T-I-O-N to declare, then made the noun form of declare, declaration. Then imagine, I-M-A-G-I-N-E. Imagine is a verb and the noun form is imagination. I-M-A-G-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Imagination. Next word is imitate. I-M-I-T-A-T-E. Imitate. The verb noun form is imitation. I-M-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. I-M-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Which are the verbs we can make by adding A-T-I-O-N? Declare, declaration. Imagine, imagination. Imitate, imitation. Once again, declare, declaration. Imagine, imagination. Then our next word is imitate, imitation. We can, in different ways, we can make some nouns from the verbs in some different ways. These are the three main ways by adding I-O-N, M-E-N-T and A-T-I-O-N. And we can make the verb, change the verb into a noun by different ways. Examples, sit is a verb and seat is the noun. Seat is the noun. Then dig is the verb, D-I-G. Then ditch is the noun, ditch. Then laugh is the verb, L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Then laughter is the noun, L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, laughter. This laughter. Sit, seat. Dig, ditch. Then laugh, laughter. Is it clear? May I run this? Okay, we can move on to the exercise section. Make nouns from the following verbs. You take your pencil and write along with me. Okay. Then verb and noun. Verbs and formation of nouns. The first second is verb. Then next is noun. The verb is treat. T-R-E-A-T. Its noun form is treatment. T-R-E-A-T. And we can add M-E-N-D to form the noun, treatment. Treat, treatment. Then collect. Next word is, verb is collect. C-O-L-L-E-C-T, collect. The noun is collection. C-O-L-L-E-C-T. Then adding I-O-N, collection. Collect, collection. Then invest. I-N-V-E-S-T, invest. The noun form is investment. I-N-V-E-S-T-M-E-N-T. Investment. Is it clear? Next one, laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. We can add T-E-R to that word. Laughter. L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Laughter. Then next one, enjoy. E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoy. The noun form is enjoyment. Enjoy. M-E-N-T. Enjoyment. Okay. Then next word, act. A-C-T. Act. The noun form is actor. A-C-T-I-O-N. Action. A-C-T-I-O-N. Action. Act. Action. Then grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Now, noun form is growth. G-R-O-W-H. Growth. Grow. Growth. G-R-O-W-T-H. Growth. Grow. Growth. Next word, conclude. C-O-N-C-L-U-D-E. Conclude. Conclusion. C-O-N-C-L-U-S-I-O-N. Conclusion. Conclude. Conclusion. Speak. Speak. Speaker. Speak. Speaker. Then next word arrange, arrangement. A-R-R-A-N-G-E, arrange. The noun form is arrangement. A-R-R-A-N-G-E-M-E-N-T. Once again, you look at the words, verbs and its noun forms. Say with me, verbs, then its noun form. Say with me, treat, treatment. Say treat, treatment. Collect, collection. Invest, investment. Laugh, laughter. Enjoy, enjoyment. Act, action or actor. Grow, growth. Conclude, conclusion. Speak, speaker. Arrange, arrangement. Once again, treat, treatment. Collect, collection. Invest, investment. Laugh, laughter. Enjoy, enjoyment. Act, action. Grow, growth. Conclude, conclusion. Speak, speaker. Arrange, arrangement. You will finish that one. Then next one. Fill in the blanks with the nouns formed from the verbs given in the bracket. Next exercise. Page number 61. Okay, you please listen. I have given dash, given and dash to Amrita for the party. Invite is the verb. Which is the noun form of invite? First one, invitation. I-N-V. Right now, you write in a text. Now you write in a text using your pencils. I have given an invitation. I-N-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Invitation. I have given an invitation. I-N-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Invitation to Amrita. The next sentence. My mother's dash is weak. Digest. The noun form is digestion. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. Digestion. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. Digestion. The verb is digest and its noun form is digestion. Digest, digestion. I am going for my sister's dash. Marry. It's about marry. Then marriage. Third one. Marriage. M-A-R-R-I-A-G-E. Marriage. M-A-R-R-I-A-G-E. Marriage. Next one. The doctor said it was difficult. It was a difficult dash. The verb is operate. Its noun form is operation. Fourth one. The verb is operate. The noun form is operation. O-P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Operation. O-P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Operation. Next. This is my dash. Reside. This is my residence. R-E. Fifth one. R-E-S-I-D-E-N-C-E. Residence. R-E-S-I-D-E-N-C-E. Residence. He has a big dash of stamp. Collect is the verb. The noun form is collection. Verb is collect. The noun form is collection. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Collection. Collect. Collection. Next one is teacher told him to give an dash. Explain. The noun verb is explain. The noun form is explanation. Seventh one. Explanation. E-X-P-L-A-N-A-T-I-O-N. Explanation. E-X-P-L-A-N-A-T-I-O-N. Explanation. Next one. The flower dash was beautiful. The verb is arrange. The noun form is arrangement. A-R-R-A arrangement. Arrangement. Once again, you look at these noun forms. Invite, invitation. Spelling INVITATION. Invitation. Then digest, digestion. 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 Then marry, marriage. 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 Next, operate, operation. 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 Next word is reside, residence. 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 Next word collect, collection. COLLECTION. Then next one explain, explanation. EXPLANATION. Next arrange, arrangement. 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 Okay. Then synonyms and antonyms. What is the meaning of synonym and antonyms? Okay. Synonym means meaning, similar meaning. Then antonym means opposite meaning. What do you mean by synonym and antonyms in English? Synonyms and antonyms. SYNONYMS. 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 Then antonyms and antonyms. 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 Synonyms means meaning. What is the meaning of synonym? Meaning or similar words. Synonym means similar words or meaning. Then antonym means opposites. OPOSITES. Opposite. Synonym means similar meaning, that is meanings. Then antonym means opposite. Synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Which are the similar meaning? Elect, choose is the synonym. Okay. Then antonym means the opposite of that word. Write the synonyms for the following words. One has been done for you. Choose the correct one from the clue box. Clue box is given page number 62. All of you take page number 62. First set exercise is synonym. Unhappy. Synonym sad. SAD. First one sad. Unhappy, sad. Okay. Then glad, happy. Glad means happy. Unhappy means sad. Then glad means happy. Third one, replay. What is the meaning of replay? Answer. Replay means answer. ANSWER. Then fourth one, holy. Holy meaning divine, sacred. DEVINE. Holy, divine. Then hide, conceal. Fifth one, hide means conceal. CONCEAL. Hide meaning conceal. What is the meaning of hide? Conceal. Then next, sixth one, ill. ILL. Sixth one, ILL. Ill means unwell. UNWELL. Ill means unwell. Once again, you read the synonym. Unhappy, sad. You write in the given space. Unhappy, sad. Then glad, happy. Reply, answer. Holy, divine. Hide, conceal. Ill, unwell. Okay, once again. Unhappy, sad. Glad, happy. Reply, answer. Holy, divine. Hide, conceal. Ill, unwell. Okay. Then rewrite antonyms for the following words. That means opposite of the following words. Then antonym, first one, laugh, opposite, cry. Laugh, opposite, cry. Then that second one, rise, opposite, fall. Rise, fall. Third one, asleep, awake. AWAKE. Asleep, awake. Sleep opposite, awake. Then honest, dishonest. Honest, dishonest. 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 Then next one, true, false. True opposite, false. FALSE. SC. True, false. Then happy, unhappy. Sixth one, happy, unhappy. Listen to the opposite words. Listen to the antonyms which are the given words. Laugh, cry. Laugh opposite, cry. Then rise opposite fall. R-I-S-E, rise. Opposite word is F-A-L-L, fall. Then asleep, A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep, awake. Then honest, dishonest, honest, dishonest. Then true, false, happy, unhappy. True, false, happy, unhappy. Okay. Then next segment is I value life segment. Next one is I value life segment. Sanitation, hygiene and cleanliness are healthy habits. Which are the healthy habits? Sanitation, then hygiene and cleanliness. C-L-E-A-N-L-Y, cleanliness, N-E-S-S. It is read as cleanliness. Sanitation, hygiene and cleanliness are healthy habits. Which are the healthy habits? Once again you say sanitation, hygiene and cleanliness. These are three healthy habits. We should keep ourselves, our home, our society and our city clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Godliness. Devigamana. God means Devam. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. That means if we are keeping cleanliness, we are reaching godliness. We are reaching godliness. Once again, sanitation, hygiene and cleanliness are healthy habits. We should keep ourselves, our home, our society and our city clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Then activity corner. Have a best smile competition in class. Make your activity in charge the judge. Demonstrate and correct way to brush your teeth. May demonstrate how to brush cleanly, how to keep our oral hygiene. What are the things we studied in this class? We do the vocabulary ladder, then sentence making. Then next one, pick the correct answers. I will read it once again. You please listen to page number 59. Devang loved to eat sweets. Devang's mother would tell to brush his teeth twice a day. There was a best smile competition in the school. Then in the end the students were given a small token gift to enjoy brushing their teeth. Then true or false? Devang loved to eat salad, therefore he was a thin boy. It's a false statement. There was an excitement in the school too. The competition was about the quantity of chocolate we can eat. False. Devang won the competition. False. At night, mother could hear him brushing his teeth. True. Then next one is make nouns from the verbs. Examples, exercise B, page number 61. B, page number 61. Treat, treatment. Collect, collection. Invest, investment. Laugh, laughter. Enjoy, enjoyment. Act, actor or action. Grow, growth. Conclude, conclusion. Speak, speaker. Arrange, arrangement. Next one, see. I have given an invitation to Amrita for the party. My mother's digestion is weak. I am going for my sister's marriage. The doctor said it was a difficult operation. This is my residence. He has a big collection of stamps. Teacher told him to give an explanation. The flower arrangement was beautiful. Then synonyms are meaning and antonyms are opposite. Unhappy meaning sad, glad meaning happy, reply means answer, holy means divine, hide means conceal, ill means unwell. Laugh opposite cry, rise opposite fall, asleep opposite awake, honest opposite dishonest, true opposite false, happy opposite unhappy. There is one more thing, that is sanitation, hygiene and cleanliness are three healthy habits. We should keep ourselves, our home, our city and our society clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Today we are winding up our portions for this year, and let us see in the revision class. We are doing some revision classes in the next week, and wish you all the best for your examination. Study well and read your text very well. Wish you all the best, and thank you.